So, good evening, all of you. My name is Srishant, and today I will talk about should phone boon or ban. So, I will tell you one thing like as we know, every coin has two faces, and it is same as in our life. Everything has two faces. First is bad, and second is good. It is same a gadget as we know mobile. Mobile is a good thing, but it has many uses in bad things and good things. If I will tell you the benefits of mobile thing, as we know basic benefits of this, we can communicate with someone, we can earn money by many apps, as we know, without investing like Winzo. There are several apps we can earn money day by day, and a very small amount, but we can satisfy our needs. And second, we can study, but as we know, all one study, but they distract because even one notification is come, so the children became distract, and he like वो उसी में घुल जाता है फिर
he becomes standard, he indulges in them.
he indulges in that, and after 2 years he thought मैं कहाँ पहुँच गया मैं
Where I have reached,
where I have reached. This is same as with us. So and third benefit is that uh, uh, by mobile by mobile, if someone is injured, and we can make video and post. So जो दूसरा उससे जो पीड़ित है,
the person who is victim,
so he can take knowledge about them and take actions on them. And if I talk about the demerits, first demerit is that overheating. uh, the mobiles are blasted by overheating. As we know that what is the temperature of Balamgarh and NCR, 42, 47, 49, 50, and in Delhi above 50. But the temperature of mobiles and gadgets below 50, and if the temperature is above 50, so they also blast. As we know that the electric scooters, they also blast because of overheating, and because of mobiles there are lack of tons garbage extract by the government, and the garbage of mobile is not disposed. And third thing is that when the batteries of mobiles are made, there are lack of tons water is used for refining the ores of lithium. So because of this, the land degradation is increased in India. There are several demerits and several merits, but it is depend on human who are using them. If people using on their need, when अपनी ज़रूरत के हिसाब से इस्तेमाल
they
करके
are
उसको
using according to their needs.
he can use according to their need. But people's use like a messages came on morning, and if the data is like बंद खत्म हो गया,
Data has run out.
if data is run out, so the person see the message a whole day. A next message is come, a next message is come. These type of things are happen with everyone. And third demerit of mobile is uh, cancer in heart. This is increased rapidly by the I saw most of people's they put their mobile on their pockets, and because of this there are several radiations are run out, and because of this the heart blockage, and after this heart attack is became, and the person will die. These things happens every day. So we should use only in a limited time, and if we use this in a limited time, so we can use mobile on a long period of time, approximately 2090 2000, approximately above this. So thank you, listen to me guys.